Good morning to one and all present here. Myself Gajalashmi, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Kamaraj College of Engineering and Technology, Virudhunagar. Today about what is operators and operators are using in Python language. First of all, what is meant by operators? Operators in a symbols are a special keyword that perform operations on operands. Operands means either it is a value or variable. So, A to Z or 0 to 9 is called as a operand. So, operator is a symbol. So, it is used to manipulate and process the data in a various way. In Python, it have a various operators are used in different types. It contains the main types of operators in Python are arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, membership operator and identity operators. First we have see about what is meant by arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators are used to perform some mathematical operations on numerical operands. So, in arithmetic operator, we have used addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division and modulus and exponentiation operators are used in arithmetic operators. So, arithmetic operators are used to perform some mathematical calculations. For example, x contains a 10 and y contains a 3. So, print x plus y means it is a addition operation, 10 plus 3 equal to 13 is the output, and x minus y it is a subtraction operator. So, 10 minus 3 equal to 7. X into y it is a multiplication operator. So, 10 into 3 equal to 30. Then x divided by y. First of all, what is the difference between a division, modular division and floor division? In a division, it will return a quotient value. In a modulo division, it will return a remainder value. In a floor division, it will return a integer part of the value only. It will omit a fractional part. So, what is the difference between a division, floor division and modulo division? In a division, x divided by 3 means it will display the value of 3.333 and x modulo divided by y means it will return a value of 1. X modulo divided by 3, so the remainder is 1, and x floor division of y. So, 10 floor division of y, so it will return a whole or integer part. So, the output is 3. X exponentiation of y. Exponentiation means it will define a power value. So, 10 power 3. So, 10 into 10 into 10, the value is 1000. Next we have move on assignment operator. So, what is mean by assignment? Assignment means assign the sum of the value to the particular variable. So, it is known as the assignment operator. So, we have used the symbol equal. So, equal means assignment operator. So, the basic assignment operator is equal as well as the compound assignment operators are plus equal, minus equal, multiplication equal, division equal, modulo division equal, floor equal and exponentiation equal. So, these are the compound assignment operator as well as we have a shorthand assignment operators. So, what is mean by plus equal to means it contains x plus equal to y means x equal to x plus y. Then equal, both the left and right hand side having the same variable name. So, it is called as a plus equal to, minus equal to and multiplication equal. So, it is known as shorthand assignment operator. For example, x having the value of 10, x equal to y means x equal to x plus 5. So, 10 plus 5, then the output is 15. So, it is known as a shorthand assignment operator. So, assignment operator means it is used to assign the sum of the value to the particular variable. So, it is known as a assignment operator. In generally, the assignment operator is equal to operator as well as the compound assignment operators are used in Python and any language. So, it is known as plus equal, minus equal, multiplication equal, division equal, modulo division equal and exponentiation equal. Next move on comparison operator. What is meant by comparison? It is used to compare the two variable, either it is this condition is true or false. So, we use the data type is Boolean data type. In Boolean data type it contains a two value, one is a true, another one is a false. So, we have to use the symbol is equal, not equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. These operators are known as the comparison operators. Then equal means both the variables are equal or not. In not equal means both the variables are not equal or not. Then less than means it is used to compare the either number is less than or not. So, we move on the example x equal to 5, y equal to 10. Print x equal to y means both the variables are equal or not. Then 5 equal to 10, it is not equal, so the output is false. X not equal to y, so 5 not equal to 10, the condition is true, the output is true. X less than y, so x value is 5, y value is 10, then 5 is less than 10, so the condition is true, so it will display the output is true. X greater than or equal to y, x value is 5, y value is 10, then 5 is not greater than 10, so the output is false. Next, the operator is logical operators. The logical operators are used to perform logical operations on Boolean values or expression. What is meant by expression? Expression is a combination of operator and operands. What is my Boolean value? The Boolean value, the condition is true, it will display the true or false condition. In a logical operators, we have used in a and or not. So, the name is logical and logical or and logical not operators. So, for example, x equal to true, y equal to false. Print x and y. So, true and false. The and means both the two conditions are true, it will display the true value, otherwise it will display the false value. So, x contain a true and y contain a false. So, the condition is false, so the output is false. Next, x or y. Or means it will display either any one of the condition is true, the output is true. So, x is true and y is false. So, x true means the output is true. And not means the true means false and false means true. So, not is a unary operator. So, it is known as a logical operator. So, logical operators are used to perform some logical operations used in a expression or Boolean values. So, it will use the operators are logical and logical or and logical not operator. And means both the two conditions are true, it will display the output is true. Or means either any one of the condition is true, it will display the output is true. And not means true is false, false is true. So, it is known as the logical operators. Next, we can move on the bitwise operator. What is meant by bitwise operator? It is used to perform the bit values. Bit values means either 0 or 1. So, difference between a logical operators and bitwise operators means logical operator we have used the integer value to perform the sum of the operation. In a bitwise operator we have used the integer value, it will convert it into the binary value, then the binary value perform the sum of the operation and display the integer value. So, it is known as a bitwise operator. In a bitwise operators are used to perform the value of bit either 0 or 1. So, it will have a sum of the operators bitwise and bitwise or and bitwise not operator and shift left and shift right operator. Then move on the example x equal to 5, y equal to 3. Then print x and y. It is a bitwise AND operator. So, 5 is converted into the binary value and 3 is converted into the binary value. Then check both the conditions are true means it will display the output is true, otherwise this condition is false. The or then x and y values are converted into the binary representation, then 0 0 means the output is 0, otherwise 0 1 1 0 1 1 means the output is 1. X exclusive OR of y. In a exclusive OR means 0 1 the output is 1, 1 0 the output is 1, otherwise 0 0 1 1 means the output is 0. So, the value of 5 and 3 is converted into the binary value, then it will check the exclusive OR operation. The not is a unary operator. So, we have used only one variable at a time. So, not of 5, it is sort as it is represent the not operator, not of x equal to minus of x plus 1. So, minus of 5 plus 1, the answer is minus 6. It This left shift operator is the right shift operator. Left shift means the one digit is shifted from left side and added a 0 in the final position. The 1, it represents the number of position. X is the value, 1 is the number of position is moved the left side. In right shift means the 1 is the position, X is the variable. So, the values of the binary digit move from the right side, then add digits in the front side. So, it is known as a left shift and a right shift. So, it is called as a bitwise operator. Students, all of you listen. What is meant by logical operators and bitwise operator? Logical operators you have directly used in an integer value to perform the particular operation. In a bitwise operator, the integer values are converted into the bits or binary values, then it will perform the particular operation. So, the bitwise operators are and, are, not, exclusive or left shift and right shift operators are used. And means both the conditions are true, the output is 1, otherwise the output is 0. Or means either any one of the condition is 1, the output is 1, otherwise the output is 0. Not means 0 means the output is 1, 1 means 0. So, its condition is a not operator. In a exclusive or 0, 1, the output is 1, 1, 0, the output is 1, otherwise 0, 0, 1, 1 having the output value is 0. It is a exclusive OR operation. The shift operator is a 2 operator, one is a left shift, another one is a right shift. The first one is a variable, X is a variable name, the 1 or 2 is called as the number of position, the bit will be moved the left or right. So, it is known as the left shift and right shift operators. Next, the special operators used in a Python, it is called as the membership operator and another one is the identity operator. So, what is meant by membership operator? It will check whether the value of the value is present in the list or sequence. So, it is known as the membership operator. So, we have used the 2 operator, one is the in, another one is the not in. In means the value is present in the particular list or sequence. Not in means the value does not present in the particular list or sequence. So, it is known as the membership operator. For example, numbers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In membership operator, we have used the list. So, the print 3 in numbers. So, 3 is present in the number. So, the output is true. 6 not in the number, the 6 not present in the list. So, the output is true, otherwise the output is false. So, it is known as a membership operator. So, what is meant by membership operator? The membership operator tests whether the value is present in the particular list or sequence. So, it is known as the membership operator. So, use the in, not in is used. Next, identity operator. So, what is meant by identity? Identity means memory address. Both 2 variables are refer the same address means it will return a value is true, otherwise it will return a value is false. So, the identity operator is a special operator in Python. So, identity operators is compare the identity of the 2 object or 2 variables. So, identity means memory address. So, they include a is and not in operators are used. For example, x equal to 5, y equal to 5. So, both x and y 2 variable refer the same value 5. So, it will store the same address. For example, the address is 1000. So, the output is true. Otherwise, 5 having a different address, y having a different address means the output is false. How to check means in a Python we have used the ID. So, print ID of x. So, it will display the memory address of x. Print ID of y means it will display the memory address of y. So, both the address are same or not. So, verify. So, print x is y means x and y both variables are represent the same address means it will display the output is true. Otherwise, x is not y means x having a separate memory address, y having another separate memory address. So, the output is false. So, it is called as the identity operators. So, these are the types of operators in a Python. In a Python, operator means it is a symbol or special keyword. It is used to perform a particular operations using a operands. So operands means either it is a value or variable. So it is known as a operators. So what are the operators are used in Python means it contains 7 operators. One is arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, bitwise operator. Two special operators are membership operator and identity operator. Arithmetic operators are used to perform a mathematical calculation. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus division, exponentiations are called as the arithmetic operator. In assignment, operators are used to assign the particular value to the variable. So it is known as the assignment operator. So equal is the assignment operator. So plus equal, minus equal and multiplication equal, division equal. These are the compound assignment operators. So it is also known as the shorthand assignment operators in Python. So next we move on the comparison operator. So compare means used to compare the two variables or two objects. So use the boolean values, either is a true or false. So equal, not equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So these are the operators are used in a comparison operator. In a logical operators, it is used for the 3 operator, logical and, not, or. And means both the two conditions are true, the output is true. Or means either any one of the condition is true, it will display the output is true. And not means true, the output is false. False means the output is true. So not is the unary operator. So it is called as a logical operator. In a bitwise operator, first the integer value is converted into the binary number, then the binary number perform the particular operation. Finally, the output is converted into the integer value. So it is known as a bitwise operator. In the bitwise operators are bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise not operator and exclusive or, shift left and shift right operators. The shift left and shift right operators having the sum of the position, they based upon the position, the binary digits were move on the left side means it is called as a left shift, and the right side means it is called as a right shift operators. So it is known as a bitwise operator. Membership operator means the member or the value, test whether the value present in the particular list or sequence, it is known as a membership operator. So we have used in, not in. So the two operators are used. In identity means memory address. So both variables are accessing the same address means it will return a true value, otherwise it will return a false. We are using is and is not is the operators of identity operator. Next we have move on the operator precedence. What is meant by precedence means it's a priority. So which operators are performing first? So it is known as the operator precedence. So the expression. So expression means it's a collections of operators and operands. It is known as an expression. So having a multiple operator. So the which operator is executed in first? So it is known as the operator precedence. So both each expression having a same operator means it have used in a associativity, otherwise we have used the operator precedence. So in a Python you having a important rules for the operator precedence. First one is a parenthesis. So expression within a parenthesis are evaluated as the first one. So parenthesis is used to the default precedence in a Python language. Next when the exponentiation. Exponentiation means power operator. So it is the highest precedence in a Python. So it is evaluated from right to left. For this example, result equal to 2 power 3, 3 power 2. Then first perform 3 power 2. So 3 power 2, the answer is 9. Then 2 power 9, the answer is 512. So it will be performed in the operation. Next is a unary operator. Unary means one operand having a only one symbol. It is known as a unary operator. So having a two operator, one is a plus, another one is a minus. So it's a higher precedence than the binary operator. So x equal to minus 5, result equal to minus x plus 2. So minus of minus 5 is a plus 5. So 5 plus 2, the output is 7. Next multiplication, division, modulus. Both three operators are having a same precedent, so it is used in a associativity. So the operators are performed in a left to right evaluated. So result equal to 10 plus 5 into 2 divided by 3 modulo divided by 2. First we have performed left to right operation. So first multiplication, next division, then modulo division operations are performed. So 5 into 2 10, 10 divided by 3 3.33 something, then divided by 2. So modulo division, so that will return a remainder value. So 1.333, then add a 10, the result is 11.333 something. So it is a multiplication, division and modulus operator. Addition and subtraction both having the same precedent, so it will be evaluated from left to right. For example, result equal to 5 plus 3 minus 2. Both addition and subtractions are there. So they evaluated from left to right means first addition operation perform, then perform a subtraction operator. So 5 plus 3 8, 8 minus 2 6. The output is 6. So these are the operations in a operator precedence. So operator precedence means operator priority. So which operator is executed in a first and which operator is executed in a second and third, so on. So it is known as a operator precedence. So parenthesis is evaluated in a first. So open and close parenthesis, which expression is there? So it will evaluated the first. Next one is the exponentiation. So power operator, so it evaluated from right to left. Next multiplication, division, modulus having a same priority, so it will be evaluated from left to right. Next addition and subtraction, it evaluated from left to right, and addition and subtraction having the same priority. So it will used in a operation precedence. So thank you.